It's the humidity.
Covered in diesel.
Love that sign. Morning, sunshine. Z28 louvers. They have better light than never. Need a go-kart, Carl? Toys for days. Check this stuff out. Sewing machine.
There's Lucky Carl.
The man, the myth, the legend. She's a beauty.
Thank you. All your parts treasures.
Oh, you're fitting there. So thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Oh, I missed it. Yeah, that's cool.
Nice.
It ran and then it didn't.
I kind of got a unique shape rear end. We come to Iola Mills. Welcome back to Ranwin Park Nation. It is July 8th, 2026, and it's the day that we leave for the Iola car show in Iola, Wisconsin. We've been going for about 15 years, so we're going to bring our nephew Carl. Jen and I are friends, just Steve and his wife, so stick around. So we're getting the tow pig ready. You guys haven't seen this yet. This is our 2007 Chevy 2500 HD 6.6 Duramax. Just changed the oil. Working on getting the fuel filter changed right now. And we should be ready to go. Even going to top off the washer fluid. Oh, thank you, Kelly.
You're welcome.
It ain't the heat that'll get you, it's the humidity. Right? Yes. Alrighty. One tow pig feeling kind of hoggish. We got the new fuel filter, oil changed. She's ready to go. Oh, washer fluid. Oh, and because I changed the fuel filter, I'm pretty much a diesel mechanic now. So that's nice. I'll let my wife know. She's going to be terribly excited. Well, we went to town to fill the LP tanks, get some gas in the 5-gallon for the generator, and get some diesel in the Duramax, and I am not happy right now. As you can tell, I'm in a car wash. I am covered in diesel. I filled up the truck, put the handle back in the pump. There's like some kind of pressure relief thing at the top of the hose at the coupler where it goes into the pump. Sprayed diesel everywhere. The whole roof of the truck, the whole side of the truck. It's a shit mess. It is a royal mess. And I'm pissed. They gave me a free car wash, so I mean, it's not their fault. So there's that. But probably get home and finish scrubbing it up better than this automatic wash can do. So all right, hang tight, we'll see you in a bit. Morning, sunshine. We're here at Iola Old Car Show 2026. It is day one. Made it in last night in the middle of a rainstorm. Got camp all set up. And I'm about to head in and see what they got. Let's take a look. You ready? Getting the wristband on. Carl's looking good. Sporting a new shirt. Ready, Carl?
Yeah.
So
We're fresh off the bus. Just walking into the car corral. You see anything exciting yet, Carl?
Not really.
Not
Yeah,
yet.
I saw that. There's a bus hauling a short bus over there.
there's what Carl's talking about. Look at this guy. Cousins Customs. They look like a split window. Grease. Big block. 454. Z28 louvers. Installed upside down. Aero coupe. That paint. That's beautiful paint. Nice. Huh. Console shifter. What's that console out of? I don't know. Oh. Nice. Oh, hey. I didn't even know it was you guys.
Hey, y'all.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. You guys better late than never, right? I seen you had a rough time coming in.
Oh, man.
So,
Yeah.
Maintaining the tradition he started a few years ago.
yeah.
With not
Yep.
one, but two
Oh, yeah.
custom vehicle unveilings
Well, good to see ya.
this year at the main stage.
Just saw the Reeves from Flying Sparks garage. Didn't even know they were there, just happened to bump into them. The Datsun. Pretty cool. Need a go-kart, Carl?
I know, it's like...
We can each have one.
Good. You?
Toys for days. Oh, yeah. Hey! Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a bunch. Stickers. All kinds of stickers. Nice. The national anthem at Iola is really something special. You go to a sporting event or something like that, there's usually some people that are still walking around or not paying attention, kind of being disrespectful, you know. So you come here, there's tens of thousands of people, and everybody, like I said, tens of thousands of people that visit here. Dead silence, and everybody's participating. It's really special.
A few things, huh? Huh? Yeah, so far.
But I don't like the cold weather either. I don't like it brutally cold. So I like the fall. I think... Oh. You're right.
All right, we just made it through most of the, well, not most of, maybe a quarter of the swap, and Carl wants to see some of the show cars. So we're gonna go check this stuff out.
And released one more American than a Cadillac. Along with the Grand Prix vehicles are conversational sizes of giveaways
Ha!
throughout the weekend.
Look at the intake. Vacuum cleaner. The old Electrolux. Yeah. Sewing machine. There's all sorts of stuff hiding in there. Look at this. Yeah. Oh.
car here, be careful.
Yep. Oh, there's another one in here. Old Stinger. Compass on the steering wheel. Pretty rad. Old railroad tie. Yeah. The exhaust. It's part of the vacuum cleaner. Hair dryer, iron, coffee grinder.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Scout 2 with a it's a scat. 392.
Did you notice the mirrors on the ground so you could see underneath?
Oh yeah. That's cool. So this portion of the inside of the buildings for the show is designed to look like an era correct Plymouth dealership. And they have like a bunch of DeSotos and all sorts of stuff in here. It's pretty cool. They'll have old diagnostic machines. What a color there. Still no effort. Here's all the diagnostic stuff. That's cool. Little scope. Distributor tester. Yeah, it's the turbine car. It's a prototype. The turbine engine. Oh my gosh, it's wild.
Now, if you told me you didn't like it, you're fooling me.
You should stay in this place.
I'll guide you in there.
Oh really?
The thing I want to make sure it's only cut the steering. Oh. Oh yeah, that's very cool.
Perfect. Young man's getting the experience of a lifetime. It's pretty cool. There's lucky Carl. He gets to sit and everything. Yeah. It's pretty sweet. Oh, here you go, Carl. Han from Fast and the Furious is here. And this is where they're going to do the greet and meet. But they have some, looks like Fast and Furious cars here. You got Jesse's Volkswagen, Brian's Eclipse. Yeah, that's pretty rad. But if you were around for this one, it was fresh in the movie theater. It was really something. Everybody wanted these. Yeah. Coolest Firebird you'll ever see, Carl. Never seen one in person. Pretty sweet. This section, they got a lot of new vendors and stuff on display. Ford, Chevy. You got Can-Am, Obam. Derek from Vice Grip Garage is over here wrenching. Let's take a look. There's the Reeves Optimus Grime. Great Speed Shop. Over by the Chevy Tan. Oh yeah, custom convertible. There's like conversion companies that build these. Look at the white leather interior.
I brought that easy up, those chairs, that much stuff to get here. Yeah, because we were kind of helping out Craig. But I did, like I was telling them, I used to do the finish the race. I took
And Evora, yeah. That's pretty nice. This is rad. This is what we need, Jenny. This is what we need. For all the kids in the back. Drone show. Bloop, 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 bloop. You can hear them.
Yeah.
You hear it?
Bees everywhere.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
I've never seen one of those. I heard about them, but oh, that's awesome. Top lights.
That is cool.
What's that going to be, Carl? Stop sign? Oh, wow.
Oh.
Oh, it's a tack. It's just going the wrong way.
The red line's at the idle.
Yeah.
We're on the wrong.
Oh, that's cool. Dang, that's cool.
Yeah.
There's a truck. Yep. So it's got to be F-150.
Yeah,
Mobile.
it's a brick nose.
Yeah. See the rust on the bottom?
Yeah, see the Duraspark oozing. Good morning, everybody. Day 2 of Iola 2026. I just had to run up to the office quick to give Mountain Man his parking pass for the campground. He just came for the day today, so let's catch up with him here quick and take a look at his GMC real fast. Man, the myth, the legend. How's it going, Mountain Man?
It's going really good. How you doing?
Good. Let's take a quick look at the truck. So it's a 2.4 drop on his 92 Sierra. Indigo blue with the hazelwood two-tone. It looks really good.
Oh yeah.
Ready, Carl?
Yeah.
You're born ready?
Yep.
Nice. Little hot, a lot of people. Smells nice, doesn't it?
Ford logo is cool.
Yeah. It's pretty sweet. Okay, I've wanted a Buick Roadmaster estate wagon for a while. What are your thoughts on it?
Nope.
But see, because look at how cool. You put a LSA in it. Nice wheels. You're in the lap of luxury though, Jenny. Look at that.
Nope.
Look at that stance. Oh, that's that rat rod.
Oh.
Again, all I ever wanted was a black Grand National.
I don't doubt that whatsoever.
It does look fun. That looks like a riot.
Massachusetts arms company.
She's a beauty.
Thank you.
It is. Nice paint on it. Is that a stock engine? See, that's a 94 seat in there. I like that seat because it's got the armrest.
Yeah.
And it doesn't look too out of place in those trucks either.
Need to get ours done.
It's like bubble gum.
Looks like brand new paint too.
502, but big block. do you think, Carl?
I don't know.
Which one do you like right here? What's your favorite one?
Super B.
The Super B?
Yeah.
Let's go look at the Super B.
No.
You don't remember what that's called?
No.
The shifter?
Oh. No, I forgot what it's called.
Pistol grip. Suburban. Mark 5. Look how long the hood is on these. Yeah. 104 U14 67 Ford Sport Bronco. U14 is the model code for the short roof, nicknamed by classic Bronco owners as half cab. This is one of only 86 sport half cabs built for 67. Of the 80, those 86, only 4 were black. It was originally owned by an Iola stock car driver who was also the head mechanic at Charles City Ford. That thing's beautiful. Bronco Sport. God, is that straight? Black looks like ice, doesn't it? Look how straight that is. Wasn't that nice from the factory?
The golf cart path until 6 p.m. The cart path is well marked and
That's a
signed.
cool Mach 1.
Carts are required to operate at 6.
An AMX. Javelin. 401. That's the one everybody wants. With a whale tail on a Javelin. I love these. I would like to have one.
You gotta read the top movies.
Carl likes these Dakotas.
There's a massive mosquito.
I saw that. It's pretty cool. You don't see a bunch of them. Oh.
Timer starts, second you pick a gun up. Okay.
there's Independence.
Each and every one of you for taking the time to haul all your parts, treasures, and hard-to-find goodies to this swap meet. You vendors are what make this.
I love that indigo blue. We've got rooms of all the old AMT models and die-cast models, and one from every county. It's pretty cool. Ooh. Nice. And then in this room, they have the model trains. We got the big setup here in the middle. It's pretty cool. Nice. That's pretty nice, Eiko.
Yeah.
Actually, that one over there.
Which one? Oh, that truck?
Nope, right behind this.
Oh. That black cherry or whatever. Look at the metallics in there. I don't know if this shows up on camera.
I love that color.
Boy, that's pretty.
And don't step on the green bar. Okay? So to stand up like you normally would, and now turn yourself around and slowly sit. Watch out for your head. It takes you in. There you go.
Oh, you're fitting there. See?
Oh yeah, you put your feet out a little bit.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, you're ready
There you
for
go.
you're ready for the open
So
road.
do that, and then so I'm gonna, if you stand over there, I'm gonna close this. You're gonna come between your legs and take a picture of him through that window. It looks pretty cool. Okay? Go wait like back here.
Oh yeah.
Like you stand right here, and you'll kind of see what I mean.
Oh yeah.
See what I mean?
Yeah.
There you go.
It's like he's sitting in a jelly bean.
Yep. All right, so when you get out, you're gonna stand up. Here's a handle. You're gonna stand up before you try to step out. Otherwise, you end up on your face. Okay? There you go. Perfect.
Pretty cool. You got to sit in one, Carl. That's cool. Yeah.
Perfect.
All
I
right.
let people sit in it all the
Yeah.
time, actually.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. I enjoy it.
Yeah.
I actually did an event a few weeks ago, and I gave rides all
Oh,
day.
really? Cool.
Yeah, all day. It was a thing. We were supposed to give rides.
Yeah.
And a lot of people wouldn't do it. I'm like, well, I'll do it. Well, I was only expecting like an hour,
Yeah.
and it was like all day.
Nice. It is a dart. I knew it was. That's a wild car to turn into lure. Is this yours?
Yep.
I seen you driving around the other day with the SNs, just lower, just dragging. Yeah. Did you do it or?
Yep.
Really? Yeah. How long did it take you to do the paint and everything?
The paint alone was last year and a half was paint reassembly.
Okay.
I got 9 years into building the car.
Is it a 71?
74.
Oh, it is a 74?
Yep.
I had a 74 Duster.
Oh, sure.
Yeah. And I seen it and I'm like, I've never seen any, Duster or Dart or Demon or anything as a lowrider. That's pretty rad.
There is one Duster, 73 or 4 Duster done back in probably the late 70s, early 80s.
Yeah.
That's the only other one I've known of.
That's crazy. Cougar custom vans. That's a nice one. Oh, I missed it. It's got to be a Blazer. Oh, it's got tractor tires on it. It must be going that way. Good morning. Day 3, Saturday of Iola 2026. And it's supposed to be a little bit hotter today, but the humidity is supposed to be lower, so that'll be nice. So let's see what we can see today. Here we go, check this out. 94 official pace car, Brickyard 400. That's the car, the real car is in the corral right now that we looked at. $15, you can have the model to go with it. That's cool.
Most of the trim out. I think all the trim out.
So, who has been here there day 1 or day 2? Someone? All right. 4 of you today. This is important to me. I want to make sure this is done today. It ran and then it didn't.
I don't know. It's a mile.
68 Wildcat with a 434 barrel stage 1 GS engine. Good lord. Oh, I didn't see the paint job on this up close. This one that Carl thought was full of mud.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Airbrushed rivets. How long did that take? All of that's paint. Doesn't that look three-dimensional?
Yeah.
Like a plate riveted on there? It's just all paint.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that too. All paint. Nothing, no wide body, just paint.
Yeah.
That's cool. Do you like these, Jenny? No? Which one in this row do you like?
From what car?
As far as you can see. No? Well, that wasn't a Miata. That paint. Oh, Carl.
What?
This wasn't here yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
CRX. You know, Aunt Donna used to have one of these. She used to have, actually this is all she bought was CRXs. Skunk racing. Look at the cooling hose. You see this?
Yeah.
That's wild.
Attention swap vendors.
Look at all the gold leaf.
4,000 swap meets
All that work.
across these grounds are filled with passionate collectors, builders.
That's the one thing nice is that everything changes day to day. You can look at it every day and it'll be different cars. Jen likes the Scout. It's a factory style decal, but this is all paint.
1984 Cadillac Eldorado with a Cadillac. Along with the grand prize
67.
unlimited prizes and giveaways happening throughout the weekend. Getting signed up at
halfway through day 3. Carl and I are in the car corral, and everything in the corral is for sale. It used to be a rule that it had to be 20 years old to even be in here. I think they might have flexed that a little bit now, but there's stuff like this in here. Take a look. Beautiful. Lead sled. Got the lake pipes. What do you think, Carl?
I like that.
And there's affordable stuff in the corral too. It's not all super expensive show cars. There's ratty projects. There's all sorts of stuff. Saw this on the way out yesterday. This is another pretty nice. It just has Crown Vic front suspension. So yeah, it's not the full chassis, it's just the front suspension swap, which is also the aluminum cross member, bolt right in, a little bit of modification to the frame, and they slap right in. That's a pretty common front end swap. Used to be Mustang too, and now everybody's on the Panther front suspension. What's that?
It's not a lot of anything
No.
you made.
So this is a Regal T-Type. For those that don't know, it's rare. It is rarer than a Grand National. It's the same 3.8 turbocharged engine, the same drivetrain, but everything else is standard Regal.
Should have brought this car. This would have sold.
Yeah, badass T-Type. I know they made way less of these than they did Grand Nationals. Yeah, 5,512 Grand Nationals made. 1,921 T-Types, and of that 463 with a WH1 package. Pretty cool. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to check out them starting the Chrysler prototype turbine car.
She drinks that and like,
Yeah.
let's not do it. Yeah.
It looks like a wrestling match, stepping on the ropes.
Yeah, come on. Come into the wrestling ring.
Let's do it right there. Nightmare Garage. That looks like a nightmare. Sport Coupe 360.
It's kind of unique shape rear end where it kind of comes back, slants back in.
I kind of got a unique shaped rear end. Oddly shaped. So as per tradition, we sit in the grass on the last day, have a cold beverage, and Tracy yells at cars to light them up. And sometimes they do. Ooh, 68 Firebird. But But can it do a burnout? Oh wow, does that sound nice?
Tracy, yell.
That's the LS one.
And
Well, what is the burnout? How well did they light them up?
yeah, but would the contest also be for others saying light them up, and is it good
I mean,
enough?
it could be.
Okay. That's a lot of judging.
Well, you are a pretty judgy person.
Oh yeah. Whether you know it or not, I'm judging you.
Yeah. No comment.
Yeah. Leaving a car wash. I'm like, oh, I've seen this car.
Miata with drag slicks. Oh, that's why.
Wouldn't be a race car without a zip tie.
Yeah. Yeah, that's for sure. Hey, Mater.
What kind of pizza do you want, Carl?
So every Saturday, the last day of Iola, we come to Iola Mills to eat. And we get to sit. It's an actual mill too. It still has some of the old school vintage milling equipment. And we get to watch the traffic leave. Look forward to this every year.
2 wheels on it, I should say.
Yeah, that's the one that was in the roped off inside.
Is that the manual?
Oh my god. He's got a GMT 800 plastic bed protector. No, that one's red.
Honestly, I like those 15s that they have.
Well, you don't see that often. Old plastic car next to a Lamborghini.
Why is my camera disabled?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the Kaiser Darren.
I said that. Yeah.
Oh, look at the LED marker lights in the green. 7.3.